is kind of like fake news, guys. Gocho. क्या बोले? दुरुक.
इसकी सुनो मत. She is drunk. Red hot chili. Trust you all are doing good and keeping safe. Today we are going to explore top 5 Indian inspired cocktail places in Singapore. If you're new to my channel, I'm your host Kankan and you are watching my channel I Can Solo, where we basically drink change one day at a time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, click the like button, hit the bell icon to be a member of my family. Today to explore top 5 Indian inspired cocktail places is my close friend Niharika.
I'm an aspiring actor and a professional cocktail drinker.
And what you guys don't know, Niharika loves to explore new bars and new drink. So today we are going to explore our first cocktail place, Masala Bar. अभी हम लोग ट्राई करने वाले हैं अपना फर्स्ट ड्रिंक अदरक की कन्फेटी.
So in this drink there is spiced rum, tamarind chutney, ginger, adrak obviously, and blood orange sage soda.
प्रॉपर इंडियन. मैं भी थोड़ा ट्राई करके देखता हूँ.
And the adrak also, very good.
हाँ.
Right?
It is having very strong Indian flavors. अभी हम लोग ट्राई करने वाले हैं रेड हॉट चिली पेपर, जिसके अंदर है जिन, चिली, लेमन ग्रास. एंड मुझे इसके ऊपर एक बढ़िया सा मिर्ची दिख रहा है.
Interesting. I don't know what I feel about this drink, guys. It's very watery.
तीखा वाला नींबू पानी.
चिली का टेस्ट आ रहा है तुम्हें?
नहीं, चिली दिख रहा है तो फीलिंग आ रहा है अंदर.
Presentation for me is kind of like fake news, guys. रेड चिली ऊपर तो डाला है but टेस्ट नहीं आ रही है. So I feel a little betrayed over here.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it a 1.
Now we are going to
Gabbar.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to do today a drink called Shikan Gin, right? Yeah, let's go. Right, some ice, some salt, excellent salt, lime juice, okay. Mint leaf, right? Some mint leaf inside. Okay. Some lemon. Give it a bit of zest. Soda and water. Soda, water, gin, right? Okay, one in. One more in. Lemon goes in the top. A little cherry. Top it up. A tiny mint leaf. And voila. Next one, we're going to be calling the Bacardi Masala. Right? Okay. Ice. As usual, ladies and gentlemen. Masala. Dash of salt. Coke. Bacardi. Stir. Mint leaf to garnish it. Now look at that, beautifully done. Yep, look at that, nicely done there. Right? Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, you got the beautiful Bacardi Masala. Boom.
Hi guys. So our first drink is called Shikan Gin. अब आप समझ ही सकते हो इसमें क्या है. Shikanji with gin. I'm gonna give it a taste. Oh wow.
मैं भी थोड़ा ट्राई कर लेता हूँ, देखता हूँ कैसा है.
Strong तो है देखो. दारू तो है इसमें. है ना?
Literally very strong.
Okay, so our second cocktail today is called Masala Bacardi. As you can guess, this is a rum-based drink, and it has some chaat masala in it, and I think Coke and soda. So I'm gonna give it a try. Oh yeah,
लग रहा है कि इसको बहुत बढ़िया लगी है. देखते
this is
हैं.
the better one. This is definitely the better one.
Much better. उससे कंपेयर करें तो ये बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. Now we are going to Dabawala.
I start with the gin, apple syrup, a bit ginger, a bit basil, apple juice, and sugar. Lime, lemon powder, and ice. Dark rum from India. Sugar syrup, kapals, coconut milk, some ice, 1 shot Bacardi. Bacardi on top, Mango Maya.
तो अभी हम लोग आए हैं डब्बा वाला में, जहाँ पे हम लोग लिए 3 सिग्नेचर डिश यहाँ के. एंड वी आर हैविंग चौबेजी विद अस. तो चौबेजी, ये मैंगो वाला कुछ ड्रिंक है, इसका नाम क्या है और खासियत क्या है?
ये मैंगो माया है और इसका जो मिंट फ्लेवर है, ये इसकी खासियत मिंट फ्लेवर है. इंडियन ऑथेंटिक टच जो है मिंट से आता है. तो आप ये दूसरी ड्रिंक बोल रहे हैं, इसका नाम तुलसी मार्टिनी है. टेबल पे आते ही गायत्री मंत्र शुरू हो जाएगा. 2 पैक जाने के बाद, दो तुलसी जाने के बाद मार्टिनी गायत्री मंत्र के लायक आप.
बढ़िया. और ये तीसरा ड्रिंक का क्या स्पेशल?
ये चाइनीज तो है. इसको पीने के बाद बंदा सनी देओल को याद करता है. इसका बेस है ओल्ड मोंक और इसकी खासियत है टी लीव्स.
Okay.
Hi guys, so our first drink at Dabawala is called Mango Maya, and it looks really exciting to me. And
थोड़ा पिघल गया आइसक्रीम, बट इट्स टू गुड क्योंकि हम लोग पिक्चर लेने में बिजी थे. तो हम लोग कुछ अलग करने वाले हैं इसमें. हम लोग साथ में ट्राई करेंगे. ये यहाँ से, मैं यहाँ से.
ready?
Are you ready?
Yup.
चलो.
Yup.
चलो.
Zindabad.
अभी हम लोग ट्राई करने वाले हैं अपना नेक्स्ट ड्रिंक. व्हाट इज तुलसी मार्टिनी. Niharika, go for it.
I really like the look of this drink, guys. Green, giant tulsi leaf.
तुलसी लीफ काफी बड़ा है, इतना बड़ा सा.
Very good. And
I loved it. I loved it. It's
yeah,
too
I really liked it. Goto. क्या बोले? दुरुक.
इसकी सुनो मत. She's drunk. ये एक्सप्रेशन दे रही है जब भी हम लोग कुछ बोल रहे हो, दूसरा ट्राई कर रही है और वहाँ से एक्सप्रेशन दे रही है.
Okay guys, the last and final drink we're trying at Dabawala is the chai mojito. So as you can kind of tell from the name, this is a chai mojito. They've used old monk and infused it with chai leaves. Shall we try it?
Yeah. Good. How's that taste? Okay.
Nice. Very
It's nice. It's nice. Cheers.
Now we are going to Flying Monkey.
That's a maraschino liquid in there, and then the bit of the tequila and the rum. So I already have the pre-batch of that. So in the busy time, I just gonna mix it up the Japanese vibe for you. I'm gonna add the lemon in that. That's a secret, not a secret. You have a special glass for that. It's a clay pot from India. There we go. Bit of the Japanese sake. Indian 47. It's caramelized with the gin and then the rum in there. Here we go. I'm gonna put the Indian flag down there. There you go. Happy Independence Day. Salted caramel. Snap it down there. There's cinnamon in there. That's your few of those chocolates. Oh, damn, it was so messy though.
Okay, dosto. So now we are going to drink Japanese wine. It is having some special Indian ingredients. नहीं मेरे को बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया.
Strong. Very good. My favorite part is the matka.
ना अभी मेरा टर्न है. मैं भी थोड़ा ट्राई करके देखता हूँ क्या है, कैसा है.
Kids, this is how you get drunk.
Okay, तो हम लोगों का अगली जो ड्रिंक्स है इट्स इंडियन फॉरेस्ट. इसमें जो बहुत बढ़िया 2-3 चीज़ आप लोगों को दिखेगा. पहले तो इंडिया का फ्लैग सबसे ऊपर है, फिर एक मस्त वाला मिर्ची दिया है इन लोगों ने, एंड थर्ड थिंग इसमें है ओल्ड मॉल.
Okay, first thing first. गांधी जी क्या कहेंगे? But I love it.
करेगा तो ओल्ड मॉम की बहुत बड़ी फैन है, तो मुझे लग रहा है वाओ इट्स गुड. आई लव इट. तो अभी हम लोग ट्राई करने वाले हैं इसके सिग्नेचर डिश यहाँ का, जिसका नाम भी इस पब के नाम से ही है, कॉल्ड फ्लाइंग मंकी. और इसमें है ओल्ड मॉम. प्रेगनेंट से इसको पता चल रहा है कि क्या होने वाला है. हो ही गई है अंदर में, देखो.
It has old monk in it, but it also has monkey shoulder. So it's kind of a really nice mix between an old-fashioned with some little bit of rum in it. So you can really smell the orange zest that they've sprayed on the rim of the glass. The cinnamon is a nice touch. It kind of actually is adding a little bit to the taste. But my favorite bit, which is the weirdest bit, is the shape of the ice cube. They have this like hexagonal shaped ice cube that I absolutely love. It's absolutely clear. I love the smell, I love the taste. I think this is my favorite drink.
Hey guys, we are now at Podi and Boreal.
For the jirage, we add on Indian orange. So this is a rum is been infused with cumin. The very light, gonna be lemon as well, gooseberry, honey. They call amla honey. Whiskey has been infused with very light. It is bitter leaf, berry as well. Ice. Got a beautiful mint spring as well. So for you.
Okay, so the first drink we're trying is called Vetrille. It's a pan-infused whiskey with amla honey and soda. Okay, I'm excited. I like the pan leaf.
Liked it?
It's nice. You can really smell the pan also.
Yeah.
Nice.
The pan flavor is quite strong. अभी हम लोग ट्राई करने वाले हैं अपना नेक्स्ट ड्रिंक जीरा गे.
So as the name suggests, the main ingredient of this drink is jeera. So it's actually jeera infused rum. Alright, I'm excited to try this.
Looks like she liked it.
Jeera's there, guys. Jeera's there. The jeera's again the same thing. Actually, this one is also a little bit stronger flavor than the pan one. So the jeera flavor really comes out, like it really hits you. And I think that's really nice. If you love jeera, you're gonna love this drink.
Yeah, jeera is too strong. Even I can,
smell it?
yeah, I can get the fragrance from here itself. नेक्स्ट हम लोग ट्राई करने वाले हैं रेड चिली अदरक पेपर. रेड हॉट चिली कोरियन.
Excited.
very special dish.
Come to the world.